In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all purchase orders in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and how to filter your purchase orders so you can quickly find what you need, whether you're checking on open orders, reviewing past purchases, or preparing reports. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Expenses. This is where QuickBooks groups all of your spending-related information, including bills, expenses, and purchase orders. Go ahead and click on Expenses in that left-hand menu. When you click Expenses, a few related options will appear. From that small drop-down or expanded section, choose Expenses again. This brings you to the main Expenses page, which shows a list of all your transaction types in one place. Think of this page as your central hub for anything money going out of your business. At the top of this page, you'll notice a few controls that let you narrow down what you're seeing. Look for either a filter icon or a drop-down labeled All Transactions. This is your starting point for telling QuickBooks what kind of transactions you want to view. Click that filter icon or open the All Transactions drop-down so you can customize the list. From the list of transaction types, choose Purchase Order. Selecting this tells QuickBooks that you only want to see purchase orders, and it will remove all the other types of transactions from the view. Once you apply that filter, the page will refresh and you'll see a list that now consists only of your purchase orders. From here, you can refine the list even further. At the top of the list, you'll see options to filter by date range, such as this month, last month, or a custom date period. You can also often filter by vendor or status, depending on how your QuickBooks is set up. Use these filters to narrow down what you're looking for, like open purchase orders from this quarter or all purchase orders to a specific vendor for the year. After you've adjusted the filters, review the list of purchase orders below. You can click into any individual purchase order to see more details, check line items, verify quantities, or confirm pricing. And that's it. By using the Expenses menu, the Transaction filter, and a few date or vendor filters, you can quickly view and manage all of your purchase orders in QuickBooks Online.